The T-80 is one of the most advanced and powerful tanks developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War. It was introduced in the late 1970s as a further improvement over the earlier T-64 and T-72 tanks. The designers wanted to make a tank that had speed, strong armor, and heavy firepower. What made the T-80 special was that it was the first production tank in the world to be powered by a gas turbine engine, the same type of engine used in aircraft. This gave it much greater speed and acceleration compared to diesel-powered tanks. The T-80 could move very fast across rough ground and was considered one of the most mobile tanks of its time. The main gun of the T-80 is a 125mm smoothbore cannon, which can fire different types of ammunition including armor-piercing rounds, high-explosive shells, and even guided missiles. This gave the T-80 the ability to fight not just tanks but also helicopters and fortified positions. The gun was supported by an autoloader system, which reduced the need for a fourth crew member. Alongside the main gun, the T-80 carried machine guns for close defense against infantry and light vehicles. In terms of protection, the T-80 had composite armor and, in later versions, explosive reactive armor. This made it very difficult for enemy shells and missiles to penetrate. The tank was designed to survive in modern battlefields where anti-tank weapons were becoming more powerful. The crew of 3 people, commander, gunner, and driver, were placed in a protected position inside the tank. Over time, the T-80 was updated with new systems like thermal sights, better fire control systems, and stronger armor. The gas turbine engine gave the T-80 amazing speed, reaching up to 70 km/h on roads, but it also had some disadvantages. The engine consumed a lot of fuel and required more maintenance compared to diesel engines. This made the tank expensive to operate, especially for long campaigns. Because of this, the T-80 was often given to elite units in the Soviet Army, while the cheaper T-72 was built in larger numbers for general use. The T-80 was used by the Soviet Union and later by Russia after the breakup of the USSR. It also entered service with several other countries, including Ukraine, Belarus, Kazakhstan, and South Korea. The tank saw combat in conflicts such as the First Chechen War, where it showed both strengths and weaknesses. Its firepower and mobility were praised, but the heavy fuel use and vulnerability in urban fighting became problems. Even today, modern versions of the T-80 remain in service. The T-80 BVM, an upgraded version, is equipped with advanced armor, modern sights, and more efficient engines. This ensures that the tank can still compete on today's battlefield alongside other modern tanks. The T-80 is remembered as a unique machine in tank history because of its turbine engine, powerful gun, and speed. It stands as a symbol of Soviet tank design and remains respected by both allies and opponents.